Hello students, so today's lesson is on singular subjects and singular verbs and plural subjects and plural verbs, and the simple rule is that makes total sense. A singular subject must have a singular verb and a plural subject must have a plural verb. So if a singular subject does not end in S, then the singular present tense verb usually will. That's for present tense only. The boy, notice no S, hears, ends in an S. It all. Boy hears it all. Okay? The opposite also works. If a plural subject does end in S, because plural nouns usually end in S, its plural present tense verb likely will not. The girls, more than one, plural noun subject, walk, notice no S, plural verb, together. The girls walk together. That's it, guys. Have a blessed day, and if you have questions, message me. Bye.